this is my current situation. This is my sofa, tapi I letak like penutup so that dia tak kena habuk kotor and whatnot. This is my Ikea TV cabinet. Besta. This is my carpet tapi belum letak lagi. Okay, so this is my messy dinner area, dinner table and chairs. Sangat. Need to fix this tomorrow. And that's my Ikea cabinet. Ada long mirror dekat sini. You can see me. Okay, so this is my spot for OTD. This is my sister's room. Nothing much here because katil belum sampai and everything. Oh, this is Ikea wardrobe. This is my Ikea wardrobe. Okay, and this is Billy where I put all my perfumes and bags. This is current situation. I belum letak kosmetik lagi kat dalam ni. Ikea LX, of course, fits everything. Tapi this one is going to be here. My vanity. Yeah, okay. So this is my wardrobe. I belum letak apa nama ni, handle lagi. And I belum change all the hanger to like this one. Okay, this one needs to be changed. Is my blazer punya area. Banyak gila blazer aku. Aku tak tahu kenapa. Yes, Zul punya tempat. Okay. Very fancy, ya. This is my toilet. I love so much. Okay, so this is my toilet, guys. It's not so big, tapi I akan buatkan dia jadi wide camera so that you can see everything. So yes. So like here, tak sini dulu. Okay, so this masih berapa? I guna from this one is from Jubin Cantik, Lazada, Shopee. From Sorrento, kedai, kedai, what do you call that? Bathroom and appliances. Yeah, Sorrento juga, I think Shopee. Yeah, Ikea. And this is from kedai Sorrento juga. I tak percaya tukar ni to the gold one. I ada gold one tapi diorang tak boleh fix that, so that's that. So this is my kitchen area. Kitchen belum siap, tabletop dia belum buat lagi. Next week baru siap. But I beli Ikea punya cabinet, kitchen cabinet, because it's a lot cheaper. But it looks nice. Previously we wanted to do green, tapi disebabkan tempat ni very small. So, and I tak nak white sebab I takut kotor. So I ambil this one instead. And with this gold handle, it's beautiful. This is the messy area where I put the fridge akan ada kat sini, and this is going to be untuk oven and microwave. This is another room where I put all my boxes, my stuff from the house. Bye guys. This is my decor. I'm so excited to put this on the shelf. This is just temporary, but I'll put it here. Itu is making tempat untuk my bawang. I bought more of this gelas because it's so tebal, thick, berat and good quality. Why?
How do I?
You kena ikat. This is Zul's presentation. Show me the tempat, apa nama ni? Yes, tu pun nak beli baru, guys. 6 months ago, I bought all these things and I wanted everything like to be kayu, timber vibe like that. And then last 3 months, I bought everything in gold. So I have option. Okay. Nak kayu ke nak gold? Like literally ni pun I baru beli in gold. Ini pun I ada in gold. What's your problem? What's your problem? Oh. Cantik kan? This one I beli dekat Shopee, tapi dekat
Huga.
Bukanlah, ni Huga lah. This one we bought in Huga.
This one lah Huga.
Oh, ni Shopee, ni Huga.
Huga dapat pelit. Pelit.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Pelit.
I'm crying, George. Why? Just received this chair from Chic East. Chic EST. Chic East. Okay, this one is Alex. I dah letak this knobs to make it more cantik. And I dah beli like organized. And I dah beli some organizers. Okay. And I belum kemas lagi, I belum cuci. But whatever, I just letak sini so that later I can kemas again to letak all my skincares and everything. So let's do this. Okay, now we're gonna attempt to tukar all those hangers yang tak sama to this one. We got it over here. Alright, we're done. That looks much more better. Okay, much better. Okay, this one is shoe organizer. This is like the current situation. Ni kasut lama, so yeah. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I boleh muatkan 5 dekat sini instead of just 3. So we save more space. Okay, the countertop guy is going to come in today to finish off everything. So this is the before. Okay, this is my kitchen. Lepas dia pasang the countertop, it looks like this. So that it matches this tiles. Yang I suka KitKat tiles, and then I match dengan this golden kitchenware accessories. I don't know. So yeah, and this one tempat masak. Okay, ini kejap lagi kita tukar. Satu lagi belum ada kat Ikea. So curtains are in. Hari tu dah masuk tapi semua lebih 5 cm ke bawah, 5 inci. This is my room. I know dia macam colour dia lari sikit, tapi nak buat macam mana kan, redha je lah. I just bought this lamp, the lampshade. It's from Ikea, so beautiful. I bought this from Shopee as well. Nanti I lipat betul-betul, sabar ya. But I just want to see how it looks like. So yeah. Okay, now time to fill in the shelves here and here. Let's do this here and more over here. Is this Biogeo? Oh, it's so dusty. Yeah, okay. So you're here. Okay, this is my Bottega Veneta body wash. This one needs to be washed. Oh my god. National body wash. Okay, sit here. Put this. Get to that later. Okay, so this is not finished, but I'm gonna rearrange it later. So this is what it looks like here. I'm pretty sure this one is going to be full later, and this one also I can kemas balik, but yeah. Okay, so these are my perfumes, but this is not all. I have more over here, so let's put this in. Okay. Okay, I found more. I'm gonna put it here. put it here. Aesthetic products. Look at this, so annoying. Alright, so we are moving out today, like finally, and I'm at my old apartment, so we're gonna take out the big furnitures out today. This is our bed. We're gonna move it into the lorry, and these are the boxes yang I kena bawa. Oh, hi there. Yang I kena bawa. Hopefully it fits dalam lorry tu so that I don't have to bawa in my car. And here is my vanity that I'm gonna bring along with me as well. Yeah, this is me. And ini macam, I'm gonna sort everything out later, okay? Hey Jack. What are you doing? Tengok luar ke? So many things, so dirty. Oh my god. What's that? Ready to go. So the cats are here. Kita bawa cat. Kita bawa cat hari ini. Cat? Where? Where? Sini lah. Hi, where? My babies. Where, Chuck? You home? Come on out. Hey. 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 Kenapa jangan terbang? Okay, so this is my current situation in my room. Kita ada maid kat sini. Satu maid. InsyaAllah. Maid. Kizul tengah pasang almari. Di sini maid saya. Dia tengah asingkan. Yang ni daripada Bentong lah. Zul baru je letak this mirror, and I have so much to go through with this cosmetics and all. These are all makeup. Another 2 big boxes to come. And I'm gonna unpack my stool, my very beautiful stool for my makeup table. Usually I makeup, I akan bersila, so I don't need this space. So I letak more Ikea Alex dekat dalam ni so that I get more space. Sebenarnya dia macam ni dia, Vanity tu. Okay, this one is from TKDC Vanity Mirror. Sekali dengan ni, but this one I beli Ikea Alex, and I just insert that in the leg area. So I have more space for my makeup, and this one I'm gonna just sit on it, or just, you know, just letak kat situ because it's pretty. Okay? Drawer first. I need to wipe off Chanel makeup for this first drawer. Yeah, ada Chanel punya produk kat tempat lain. I'm gonna fill this in later once I get the products. Right, let's put all the lipsticks in here. Kemas this area tapi belum 100% because my makeup yang supposedly ada kat sini belum bawa lagi ke sini, so ada skincare je and makeup belum siap.